Milo TV, bada boom, bada boom, bada bam. Yeah, Papa.
Milo TV, barabim, barabum, barabim.
Yeah, Milo TV, bada TV, bada boom.
Milo TV GH, Toronto, Canada. Bada bin, bada boom, bada bam.
Alright, adishima mama bibia chi emwa emwaju eba Milo TV kasafidi so. Se na ye di kan de se wo ya ne se wo subscribe to Milo TV we no like no comment no share. Me the Prince Kojute we are Toronto, Canada and me wo. Me YouTube channel no your friend Milo TV. Opesa woni atwetwe nkoma do not hesitate, reach out to me. I will 416-909-1100 na yeni enkomo ewo honom. Yeba Canada be sem finshi du enumuni 15 years ago na me buy 2010 March na ba Canada ntines month March na chese gradually ya hiti 15 fee yes I check akro anyway enhwe yechi ni enhwe de yakoye yemo continue enhwe yechi na de omni say ye buy no ye nya na sei yebedu ye ni hu se oh say na ye wo YouTubers bi kura wo ba bi omo cheche ni ma mu kire omo man mu like omo microphobia omo so pe konya eren aba Canada enti ye started me started ye no abranti ni munyamfo bi friend Kobna Boaten ofribo nrekende Kobna ya me onsure no onye wakoma so ade ma pa Kobna ni hu se ye create YouTube channels no ene o meji ye nyina o kan nyina bom ne started say YouTubers award this year besan de akwakoye the next edition kura enti sanete aye twice last 2 years na last year this year nyame ya adoma ye beye Kobna Boaten me boa our president yam president eno ene waboa ama YouTubers be pray ya meje ya ka ye ho ya boye ho do boa ene ye boa so be free Ghana ba Canada obedu port of entry questions and answers ano kakra ye nimbia no disclaimer menya immigration lawyer menya immigration consultant but then kakra ye nimbia no yanso ye nimdie no ye de boa mani pa ne ba no ba be hwam gone with this maybe ni ha be serious to na we are fresh Senior Milo me ba Canada o mo bi ho Senior Milo you know ni nyina ye mo kakra yanso ya gia ato ye ho so se ye be ye na ya boa the Ghanaian community anyway. Alright, so you be in komokitu bi e wo mekasa fidie so wada amafo aso femme na the omnie metane Bruce eye collabo Bruce Willis eye Ghana ni abrantia oba Canada as an international student, and of course when start meet and greet aye koye 4th edition e wo Morton Park, this year 5th edition e baso, and last year now say yes, she said them you mean stress, depression, anxiety, and I was say it me kwa bontin. When I was saying you say hi and remember I bass one Nap College. And Branch no born home ye palm. Men entire collaboration. And of course a video na amount for boofu. Na amount for kasa. Milo ye deportation o yes no. Asam na ye ye kan. Obi be frɛ asam a woka. And sometimes we go online the air koso. And I feel some of you Ghana form rantie na maba woni bi ho matia da enti se eba na yekoye na mo hwa na akenya no wasore okay pacho ti asema make no anye ye ne de oba ye bet ye boda wuro bi twem Bruce ubako ambala na oboda wuro come to Canada, the land of unlimited opportunities. Come to Canada, you know. Now like he was trying his best to say obebuama Ghana for den aba. On the other hand, na mesumi yebi o je nem finchi ha enti emrante wa na emaba wa anya kwanya abegu system no mu a what do we have to do? Yenhwe na yemfa ensan share dem refom na monko ensapan. No way, we're not gonna do that. Enti the aye ne say ye try say ebeboa na emrante wa na emaba wa no ebinya setena obinya omkrata na Ghana for yase den adore. Now, yedemo ko USA. Na the woman say, "Ori a friend Donald Trump, or the same be betuja. Time one and near Brea, o pushy so babetina benya na so ne tutu ne bi fa na so ho ne de aka de aka nyina. ene o ye se oba nyame ye na dom na so moto aba no ma no na obetena banya no so oba the first no obeye e mass deportation pajeti ni e pa o say obetena banya no so the first thing he's going to do is mass deportation into a start here na kikiri no moto aba no ma no obetena ase and we start mass deportation but ye pa mass deportation na Donald Trump ye no afei na adu Ghana force now wo gusu a oye ekwa ha na aba ha enti eba ne saa no obekọ social media obekọ TikTok na amanfo atwetwe nsem bebere na kuku TikTok eno na nchen ofi TikTok na wokọ YouTuber so many YouTubers videos omo ye first batch of Ghanaian contingent eba and na omoba ochina omoba but yetimi suma nipa se kone ko gina ayi airport ho na hwe nipa dodo o meden ombeba system no mu rabasa yesu obi amai be de bia so yin nipa obeba be kasa nsensem no say ye the first batch aba second batch and say ochina say adichi ensem pi now ni nyina ne say Milo TV ye very authentic eba ensem say ya we try our best na push ya akwa baby o see yeko now enti me ru mu na me call Ghana Foreign Ministry for Australia pusu ahoma ti me ru na mbusa say Ghana kura hwan ne foreign minister and say oh owura samo kujeto ablakwa am say oh bra ene nkan besa me na otwetwe nkomo kakra no se kwaje sa na msen eti me busa ne say owura samo kujeto ablakwa enya bia ye no krese ye de Ghana fo bi ebe ko Ghana from US and I say yes ye no kre am say nipa dodo say o say nipa 156 and am say nipa we aye de o mo kono bone ben na omodi no so ebi mo involve criminal activities ebi mo ye niam bia nsem fata ebi mo drug related stuff anima bebre enti abusanfo mo mi enko ni enko tie ensem a yewura okujeto ablakwa okaye I am Milo TV yenkomra.
But officially, in terms of specific names, people who the foreign missions in the USA have been tasked specifically to assist with travel certificates to be deported. We are looking at about 156.
156.
But we do not know at this point if another batch, another list, may be presented. But for now, what they are working with.
So what do you have in now as we speak?
Specific names, people who travel certificates have been requested for their deportation. We are working with 156.
156. Yeah. That is those who are facing imminent deportation.
Yes.
But then the process is going to continue. So are you then making room for a possible batch? Because you're saying that you don't have information now as to whether there's going to be another batch of Ghanaians who are going to
and how long these deportations are going to continue. But for now, that is the number we are dealing with. But you see, this raises the bigger issue of how we protect the welfare of Ghanaians. No matter the predicament they find themselves, we owe them a duty of care as a government, as a foreign ministry. And that is why for years I've been advocating on the floor, if you go through the Hansard, that we need a consular fund. We do not have, as a country, a consular fund where that fund takes care of the consular needs of Ghanaians in the diaspora, those who may need legal assistance, those who are in distress and may have to be housed or have to be assisted to be brought back home. So one of the new interventions you are going to see, and I believe strongly from President Mohammed's first budget, will be the establishment of that fund. We will populate the fund. We have done some conservative analysis, and we think that if we start with a seed amount of $2 million,
$2 million. $2
million for the consular fund.
Consular fund.
Abusia se yakwaba na chese ensema yewura okujeto ablakwa oka eno no. Yemfa credit na ema is it TV3 one of the youth media stations in Ghana. Yemfa credit na emom. Now, yebeka deportation the reason why any kwanse mo bufuni say enye ye ne ye boy sire mu aka wo. Disclaimer, menye lawyer, menye consultant. Okay? Enye ne ye boy sire mu aka ani ye biti chest aka wo. There be asem wey Ghana Foreign Affairs Minister, Reverend Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, onu na omusi nkonwa na ode ensem bi sei ebaye wo sei nipa 156 and you process na yede wo mu akọ Ghana. And you busa say now out of these people no enye bia na obi ko adwuma na ekochi na say obi sha na no om say da bi nipa o mo ye related bi mo kura wo detention center na bi mo wo. Those people and ye bo mo so mo Ghana nye ordinary person bi akeke. And ukoso now unim Ghanaians on we should grow. Why am I saying this? Many videos I me on YouTube no. Your guys be oba kofa and omodi ekogu TikTok and omodi amanfo sika mpa wo cho tieni ye. So wo bi bo me din se me kwadwete wi Amilo TV say bra. Se ne say who me no obi ani alliance. Me no obi anya adwuma bi mpa mo cho tieni ye. Tina supam uti asema America no. Okay? All right. Enti me ni obi ani twaka bia ya sesa me videos na omodi ekogu TikTok and omoji amanfo sika. Say me kwadwete wi na me say no, there is nothing like that. Absolutely. Now, pesa me kan sem bi show ha. Ebi mo TikTok and omo kika nsem bi ye boga na fo nyina de omo ba. As if say obi okuta green card cry ye born free US e de na ko Ghana. Come on. A citizen is a member of a state to whom certain privileges are accrued and who discharges equally corresponding duties. Nipa wati o man mo oye o man bapa biano. He or she is entitled to benefit whatsoever a system nemo. Te se de metie me ye adwuma metua tax. Me hu ni asem. Me police in kasa da matena kroma 15 years. Me nya record bi ada. Me ni record. No, not at all. Because Canada, they ba come who and say munti na mo no so pa. Canada on. So be here. O fill forms are. Oben so be do baby. Na ye busa say, have you ever engaged in criminal activity then? Oko kan yes na sha say na yune say. But then say why engaging in those stuff? Na wan ko cancel na epia o problem ho. Abusia Milo TV Toronto Canada. Mebacho pi Calabash Afro cuisine se memfanto anim. Ghana ni ababa wo bi ho wo Canada ha. Na me se oye aduane a. Yes sister, sister. Na me wonhira wo ni aduane ye dodo. Oye banku okro stew. Kama jollof anwamu diehuo konkonte. Aduane bia wo hwe bia no so mo ye outdoor engagement, wedding, birthday party ni nyina no to won safre no obebua obi twe ne yopo samfra no de ama wo ye international student wo ye adwuma weekends wo nya kwanya nya aduane sister yi wo ho obeye aduane wo package no akofa wo adwuma wo lunch wo breakfast wo dinner ni nyina obeye ni nyina ma me wa cha o address ni ye 32 Stills Avenue West. Odi Jane ya kwachi Stills Plaza na wo nsani faso no. Unit number 13. Awa no mo he open fufu a frɛ no. Obeka fufu pa ye nantwi. Ajawadwo. Na no misimi ko me ko san kwan se fieto. Me ba che obetimi afrɛ no. E wo 905 660 1066 and 647 778 8532. Oye DoorDash. Afi osan eye Uber Eats ni na eho almost start 11:30 anopa no mapon 9 p.m. Ye frana Calabash Afro cuisine muntu meka na mko maso ye na mko sankwan na bebo mi pa now ye betena fidie no so ne ye kan sem bia ne bi mu agye no asibone bra se obi ka che o se utu kwan na kopa wo krata wo nya wo bone oni watam wontwa opoa. The best you could do in abroad, they say, first of all, fight for your krata. So obi a overstay ewo US me no kase nsunu gujem. Yes. Nsunu gujem papa usuro. Why? Because I dion enti Jack. E bia e betena ha na ye ka Ghana formrantie maba Canada mobeto yen ye nikoto, but we just want you guys to we know paper ye Ghana ni enye bia me ko Ghana o se bra je koma me kwa me de ade na koma na ma baka se bra me wo fufu asi ho me sa nkwan efe ombe kwa kosisi dan wo Ghana Ghana no asase no wo si so. Oh, nti nyina ye Ghana fo nti ye boda wuro na mo bie ye mo nhye no asem na nye ne ye boye sire mu aka enye ne ye kogina baabi ne ye den ye say ye ho nsamra ne no. What is written is written. Bra abroche de abroche no ana okrata so obi ese ye sei koto asase kosi fie koto ka ko yesi a aye oboa no. Do not listen to that person. The first thing you have to do our abroche say all fighting no apokrata. Now, because of the ekoko so over US no, yebe bonipa 156 every US akọ Ghana no. Ye wa sorry bi ewo US, precisely Columbus, Ohio. Matna for be 5 months. Now, asori ye Church of Pentecost, Columbus. The news we ABC News in the career. Omuche say because of deportation kamia ko yese sofo a your friend Samuel Kumsen oye district pastor wose asori anka me ba enuane na mechiche ntade na mechiche bibia nanso kamia ko yese asem yesi yenti meko asori dem me bia obi ani ho correction ni ho tight ni ho metumi ni yenkoti asem no mra na chese ensema yebekwa kutia baba me pa chese sofo no chese asori a wate ye Church of Pentecost wo Columbus asori ni pe die tunantwe de bia metia bonsam so handkerchief no kra wan metia bonsam so mame fa de wenyi handkerchief me huru ma kosoro osoro metia bonsam so na yetia bonsam so to send your pastor Holy Ghost power unim sorry dem abua piso me mama for chibo fruit ye nuane ye wia ye didi na ye have fun but brano Samuel Kumsen was and then because sorry dem obi ani ho enti ye say me den my sorry jak adena ayehu enti abusia omienko na yenkotie the credit in my ABC News more Columbus. And you could see some
church in North Columbus. Their parking lot sits more empty than usual for their services. Something their pastor says is tied to fear for those going out because they're afraid of being deported.
It's really painful to see that.
Samuel Kumsen is the district pastor. He says 50% of his congregation is staying home instead of coming in these doors. Their food pantry has had a 70% drop off. He says people are more afraid to be deported than come eat.
The state gives us food to give it to them. The community come. Those who are not even members would come and take the food. Now we put the food out there, they are not coming.
A group of Democrats at the State House coming together to send a message of their own that they are fighting these current policies and standing up for immigrants.
I do understand if somebody commits a serious crime, yes, they shouldn't even be here. I understand that. But if you're here and you're hardworking and you're paying your dues, what was the Statue of Liberty? What was that? That was welcoming immigrants.
Nonprofits have also stepped up to help immigrants. Ohio Immigrant Alliance helps them know their rights.
And I hear their fear, I see their anxiety, and it's really getting real now.
Pastor Samuel says that he doesn't know what's next.
What we can do now is to pray.
I was for say Yakwaba, not just Enema Air Coso Columbus, Ohio. I don't know. They say because of mass deportation in Tino, be and person be quite sorry. In Tiama, a castle for Samuel Kumsen, district pastor, Church of Pentecost, Columbus. I don't yeah, I am Koi. I mean, Obia. Oko TikTok hono ma amanfo bi kika say wo paper cry de woko come on the paper ye ka paper asechire ne sen ye ka so obi wo paper asechire ne sen nipa no law abiding nipa na betena oman ni mu a ose fatase ye de krata ma no ntini ye de krata na ye den e ma no nti please and please and please absolutely there is nothing like say ukuta green card na ye de wo ko onye boni bia ye mfa wo. There is nothing like ukuta US one passport na onye boni bia na ye de we den na ye de wo ko no sansensem na amanfo kika no ni nyina eye hurudo hurada sansensem amanfo kika na ye just social media who has bikeke na amanfo kika babra pacho mami mfanto ni once again obi do bridge pe okrata ye pushi say ya mikasa na no me wana ko bi send message milo mesuma nya krata ni bi mo ti radio no so na de bra nya krata say fu say Ghana fu na fe mi a odi be yi ya di o ye nuanum Ghana fu mami mfa se mintu anim o ye Ghana ni on e mo ba mu muda wo ye Ghanaian society no anase ye community no. Why am I saying this? Wo abetu hu asi wo se oboa no wo ye victim anytime una kokokokokwa na amanfo do mo pressure abeso ye so. Yes, this is one thing I've come to realize. Me starting me YouTube yi na mahu say the Ghana for yetimi ye pa eno no wo tu hu asi ho wo se wadaje oboa upushi wo cheche mu say stay away from trouble. Okay, do not drink and drive. Okay, what we do a breach regulated Canadian immigration lawyer and I say Canadian immigration consultant ne kona suye oh ne ye ko airport ne ko fa bi ne ye titim ne bi bebo ye nom ene yesa de ko si ho pa na sister bi osimilo metina bus ni mu a na mete ye di nam si wo ka bia na wo si da bi man ka bi na metie ne ya horo ana mzie ya ka se mitri hu se kora na omukana omudi Bruce nsu be twimu. Oh Bruce, big ups to you bro. But this time obo adwuma nti Jack ya pa muche opi omie nyina emo boy ho ate enkasa Ghana ni bia ye wade nti wo mo Ghana ni da yenso ya na eduabu wodi Ghana ni ko wadwuma mi wo se wonu Ghana ni enya bia waba ne ho che no opedwuma onwe adwuma wodi ne ko adwuma ono ana be ya me ye yiwodi it was sanity but me the Ghana for more than be ni 15-20 kra na akoma adwuma me madwuma de fa oso me nyimati no dabi enti mum yemfa sa idea no to nchen na yemmo ye nua no because ye woni pa bi awo system no mu a omadwuma mu penipa but de ye nua bi ye nti ama wa ya hwe yi Milo TV Toronto Canada people gonna have fun by the beam by the boom by the bem subscribe we are like no comment no say aha any did you made in ABC say and then first time na comment section no push bibi asho yedi nyame je obi bia nyame show bia no nyu bia kuma so ade man freaky fantastic free Friday by the beam by the boom by the bem yeah.
You, where did you go, man?
Yeah, so this is what I do. We are here in Canada from Ghana. So mostly I try my best to discover Canada to the world, especially to Ghana. However, we have many Ghanaians who migrated to Canada, one to school, to visit, and others, are refugees. So what I do videos to help our dear brothers get their permanent residence to stay in Canada. And like you said, getting people that should live here forever, they should go back home. So my YouTube channel name is Milo TV GH. Milo, Milo TV GH. So if you could help me promote my YouTube channel.
Yo, what's up, beautiful people? This is your boy Wadamaya, and I'm here to tell you that it's about time for you all to subscribe to Milo TV. You can edit it. It's about time for you all to subscribe to Milo TV GH. I mean, your number one stop shop when it comes to moving, visiting, or even exploring Canada, man.
All right, so this is what I say. Milo TV, bada bim, bada boom, bada bam. Yeah, can we start?
Hey,
Milo TV.
By the
Bada bim, bada boom, bada bam.
Jeez, man. Milo TV, by the bim, by the boom, by the bam.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's here too.
Okay.